Hello everyone and welcome back to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video we're going to learn how to export your designs in Canva, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. For that, we're going to select any of our projects that we want to export, and if we want to edit any of the portions of the design, we can simply select that portion and edit it however we want, edit the text or change the image, whatever you want to do, and simply move on to the file option and save the edits. Even though the auto saving option is on, then we're going to select the share option, and we have many options to export our design to. So we're gonna download it. Simply select our format and download the design finally. And that's how you export your designs in Canva. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop a comment down below and we will get back to you within 24 hours to associate you with our best efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video. And until then, happy organizing.